I'm almost feel a little shallow and somewhat insensitive to say this, considering the subject matter. But thankfully, the songs are great.
The new U2 EP called Days of Ash. It's nearly 9 years since their last original music in 2017. So this has 6 new tracks and it has been described as politically charged.
This is quite heavy going, very political, as you say, and it's all the better for it.
Bono and U2, they have been criticised for staying largely silent on what's been happening in Gaza. What do they say about it?
52 pages of liner notes here that go along with the EP. My sense here is that Bono in particular is reacting very much to some of the criticism that's been levelled at him. His usual very verbose and vocal presence has been conspicuous by its absence over the last couple of years, but I feel this is him redressing that or addressing that. He really goes in on the Israeli situation, and very much he does make reference to, the Hamas side of things, but he very much focuses on, I suppose, the religious. He says, Judaism is a religion of peace. It has been misappropriated by people within Israel, and he specifically mentions Benjamin Netanyahu and people on the right, not just in Israel, but obviously in America as well. I do think it's important that Bono, for his own, I suppose, his own good name and his own reputation, has come out and finally spoken. I think Bono's voice is getting better with age.
Yeah, listen, I listened
Honestly.
to a couple of clips this morning and I had exactly the same thought. I just thought that there is a clarity there that I haven't heard for a while.
It's classic old school U2 and Bono getting back together, having something to say, writing a beautiful song around it and making the impact that they want.